Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to start with chapter number 8, that is companies accounts, issue of shares. Now what do you mean by share? In our business activities, share means a specific, it has a specific, and in companies accounts, share means a share in a particular company. Okay, I'll give you an example. If suppose Wipro Limited Company, it has a authorized capital of say rupees 20 crores. Okay, it is 20 crores. Now this whole of this capital is divided into small units this way. It is divided into small units. Okay, suppose I myself is holding this much part. Okay, so this is my share in the Wipro Limited. That means I am the shareholder of Wipro Limited to suppose 1 lakh shares. Okay, 1 lakh shares. For suppose this I am the holder and this is 1 lakh shares. That means I am the owner for this company for 1 lakh shares. So that is the part of, share means the part in the total capital is known as share. Okay. Now see meaning. As per the definition 284 of the Companies Act 2013. Now this Companies Act is amended. Before that, before 2013, Companies Act of 1956 was there. After this we have amended, or the Companies Act has been amended to 2013, and we have rescheduled some of the schedules. Okay. Now share is the share in the capital of the company and includes stock as well. So it is just, I said I had given, see, Wipro Limited authorized capital. From this this thing share is 1 lakh. So I will be only limited to the liability of 1 lakh. In partnership we have seen limited liability. In sole trader there is unlimited liability. Now see, shares are of two types. One is equity shares and the other is preference shares. Now there is difference between the equity and preference shares. Equity shares means they are the owners of the company. Even preference shares holders are the owners of the company. But here preference shares have some preferential rights in the company. Okay, that means they will get first dividend than the equity shareholders. Okay, so two types of shares, that is equity shares and preference shares. Then preference shares are again classified into 8 types that you can see in your organization of commerce or SP. Okay. Now type of share capital. See, when this company Wipro Limited is authorized for 20 crore share capital, that is above this company cannot go, that is known as authorized capital. अभी देखो ऑथोराइज्ड कैपिटल क्या होता है कि वो मैक्सिमम कैपिटल होता है, दैट इज द मैक्सिमम कैपिटल, उसके ऊपर कंपनी शेयर नहीं निकाल सकती है. ये 20 करोड़ का उनको लिमिटेशन दिया है, इसके ऊपर वो एक शेयर भी नहीं निकाल सकती. दिस इज द ऑथोराइज्ड कैपिटल. एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द कंपनी दैट ऑथोराइज्ड कैपिटल इज गिवन टू द कंपनी, दैट इज नोन एज ऑथोराइज्ड कैपिटल. ठीक है. अभी ये 20 लाख के शेयर्स है, इसमें से ये 20 करोड़ के शेयर्स है. इसमें से समझो कंपनी ने ना 10 करोड़ के ही इश्यू किए हैं. Issued. How this company is going to issue? Below this company is going to issue. As and when the company is in need of funds or capital, then it is going to issue the share capital. Okay. Then the next is subscribed share capital. Now see, this share capital is issued means company will prepare a prospectus, will give an advertise in the newspapers and leading publishing books. Okay. Then it will get published or they will be open for public to issue the shares. तो कंपनी के अभी जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड है दे विल सब्सक्राइब टू दैट शेयर. ओके. मीन सपोज अभी ये 10 करोड़ के शेयर्स है, नहीं 10 लाख के शेयर्स हो गए. तो अभी 10 लाख के शेयर्स में से 8 लाख के ही सब्सक्राइब हुए हैं. 8 करोड़ के ही हुए हैं, 8 लाख के नहीं, 8 करोड़ के हुए हैं. सो 8 करोड़ के सब्सक्राइब हुए, यानी 2 crores are not being subscribed. Is it clear? So ये हो गया subscribed capital. अभी ये 8 करोड़ में से called up हो सकता है कि company will then issue, means then when company is issuing the shares they will go for what? जब कंपनी शेयर इशू करेगी तो कंपनी एक साथ नहीं मंगाएगी. ओके. कंपनी विल गो फॉर लमसम अमाउंट इन पार्ट्स. मीन्स सी, if the share value is of rupees 100 per share, so it may call on application, rupees 40 on allotment, rupees 30 first call, 15 first call, and second and final call 15. If you total up it will be 100. तो इस तरह से कंपनी अपने शेयर्स के पैसे मंगाएगी. First, application money when it is issued to the public in general. Then company will allot the number of shares. That time the company will call the amount, then first call and second and final call. Usually this way company calls up the amount. तो हो सकता है कॉल्ड अप अमाउंट कभी कभी हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट कॉल ही मंगाया एंड वी आर नॉट इन नीड ऑफ फंड्स, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सेकेंड कॉल हो सकता है 6 महीने के बाद मंगाए या 1 साल के अंदर 6 महीने के बाद मंगाए या 8-9 महीने के बाद मंगाए, so it will be as and when the company is in need of funds, that time it will be called. So this will be called up capital. Okay, so whenever the company is in need of capital, that much amount is called. Then paid up, company has called, but every shareholder should pay the amount of the allotted shares, है ना? तो ही वो paid up होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. And then reserve capital is what? It is the accumulated reserves or the, जो अभी देखो, सपोज एक शेयर होल्डर है, सपोज ये एक कंपनी है, ए लिमिटेड कंपनी है, इशू किए हैं 10,000 शेयर्स at rupees 10 each. उसने क्या किया है, कैसे मंगाए हैं? 25, 30, 15, ओके, इस तरह से 100 हो गए. नाउ this 10,000, out of 10,000, Mr. Suresh has 100 shares. 100 shares किसके हैं? मिस्टर सुरेश के हैं. इसमें के ये 10,000 में के 100 shares किसके? मिस्टर सुरेश के. He has paid this money, but he was unable to pay this money. He did not pay this money and not this also. So what the company will do? Company will forfeit his shares. जो पैसे आए हैं अलॉटमेंट पे और एप्लीकेशन में, वो पैसे कंपनी सुरेश को वापस नहीं देगी. They won't give, the company won't give back the paid amount of the 100 shares of Mr. Suresh. Okay. That amount will be transferred to the capital reserve. Okay, that will be transferred to capital reserve. वो क्या हो जाएगा? कैपिटल रिजर्व पे ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये पैसे नहीं भरे हैं, ये भी पैसे नहीं भरे हैं, तो ये दोनों जो एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट के पैसे भरे हैं उतने शेयर्स का अमाउंट वो कैपिटल रिजर्व में डाल देंगे. ठीक है? आई होप दिस ऑल यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ शेयर्स कैन बी issued at discount, at par and at premium. See, shares can be issued at discount if suppose the face value is ₹100, but you can issue at a discount price. Discount is 10. So what will be the price of this share? 10. So 10 rupees will be discount and 90 will be the issued price. So company can issue its share at a discount. At par means on 100 it's only 100, no less or no more. Okay, but at a premium, if suppose the face value is 100 but premium is 20, that means you'll issue at 120. So 20 is premium. Is it understood? See, at discount, at par and at premium. These shares can be issued at discount, at par, at premium. Now shares can be oversubscribed, undersubscribed, or as they are. Okay. What this means? Undersubscribed. ये 10,000 शेयर्स है, अंडर सब्सक्राइब्ड हो सकता है, लेस देन, ओके, कितना 9,500, 9,800, एनीथिंग, दिस विल बी अंडर सब्सक्राइब्ड. ओके, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? अंडर सब्सक्राइब्ड हो जाएगा. और ओवर सब्सक्राइब्ड, दस हजार है, मगर अभी हमारे पास डिमांड आई है 12,000 की. दिस मीन्स 2,000 आर ओवर सब्सक्राइब्ड. ये क्या हो गया? ओवर सब्सक्राइब्ड हो गया बाय रुपीज, बाय शेयर 2,000 shares. Okay, over subscribed by 2,000 shares. So under subscribed and over subscribed, you must know the terms, because in accounting we are going to deal with under subscription and over subscription also. Okay, I hope this information you have understood well.